Hello, my name's Marilyn and I'm part of the team here at Carinda House in Warialda. Carinda House is a very old building. It was built in the 1880s. It's had many lives. It's been a hospital. People have used it for businesses. But in 1977, it was put up for auction and a group of locals decided to buy it so it could be kept within the Warialda community. To be able to maintain the building, it was decided to open a craft shop and to invite local craftspeople to exhibit their work for sale. We have lots of knitwear, crocheting, jewellery, men supply things like little birdhouses. We have local chefs who are able to sell their produce through our shop, and we have locally made honey that's also sold in the shop. In the upstairs part, we have it set up just like Grandma's old house. There are lots of beautiful antique items up there, bed, cot, all the things that you would have found in Grandma's house when you went to visit many, many years ago. When the house was built, after 6 girls, it was decided that they needed extra room, so Mr. Crane decided to put an extra floor on the house, and these huge big stumps were put in there to hold up the second story. Warialda is a very old community. It's actually the earliest gazetted town in the northwest. The school was opened in 1851 and the post office and the courthouse followed not long after that. So there are quite a few very old buildings around.